Hi, my name is Dustin. I'm with my Amazon guide. Today I'm going to be talking about what an LPN number is on Amazon. Oftentimes when you have inventory returned from an FBA or fulfillment by Amazon warehouse, you will see a sticker over your barcode or FNSKU sticker that has LPN over it. This article will help explain what the LPN number is and how it can help you manage your FBA inventory. Amazon's direct definition is the LPN number is a unique serial number that identifies specific items throughout the fulfillment process. In our experience, this number is typically used for FBA returns or damaged products. And why does Amazon use an LPN sticker? As previously stated, they're used for internal processing and tracking, and it can also be used to help track FBA returns. The LPN sticker typically will have a format that looks like this: LPN followed by RR followed by a variety of numbers. So how can the LPN number help the seller identify Amazon returns? When you receive the warehouse back, the merchandise back from Amazon, you can manually scan these LPN numbers into an Excel sheet. This way you can have a manual record of all the items returned back to you. And then you can download an FBA returns report, which will also have these LPN numbers on them. The LPN license plate number will help you correlate the return from Amazon with the return from the Amazon customer. It can identify the reason the item was returned and any other internal notes Amazon has regarding that specific item. So how do I download this report? You simply go to the Amazon Sales Central homepage as shown here. You will go to Reports and then Return Reports. The first return report is going to be for seller fulfilled return reports. That's not what you're looking for. You're going to click View FBA Reports. On this screen, to find the LPN number, you're going to click the Download tab. You're going to decide the event date that you want to find. Let's just say from the past day. You're going to wait for Amazon to process the report. And then you'll click Download. Once you open up your Excel file, you can see the return date, the order ID, the SKU, ASIN, FNSKU, the product name, the reason for return, and the detailed disposition. And finally, and most importantly, you can find your license plate number, which will correlate to one of the stickers for your returned items. As always, if you have any further questions, need help setting up your Amazon account, or need help with anything e-commerce related, please visit us at myamazonguy.com. Thank you and have a great day.